everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is me Arpana and welcome to another study video. In this video, I'll basically be trying to cover my backlogs during my summer break. So here I was studying physics और इसमें मैं ह्यूमन आई वाला चैप्टर पढ़ रही थी। ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया है और इसके सिर्फ 2 लेक्चर है, मतलब मुझे सिर्फ 2 ही लेक्चर देखने थे उस दिन। In physics, we have completed 2 chapters so far, light and human eye, and right now the 3rd chapter, electricity, is going on. Talking about my physics backlogs, I have already watched both lectures of human eye and also the first lecture of electricity. So technically, मेरे उन दोनों चैप्टर में अभी तो बैकलॉग नहीं है. The only chapter where I still have some backlogs is light, and I have already completed the entire theory part of this chapter, and now I only have 2 lectures left to watch. And उन दोनों में से भी एक लेक्चर NCERT सॉल्विंग का है और दूसरा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस का है. सो नाउ आई जस्ट नीड टू कंप्लीट दोज लेक्चर्स फॉर बेटर प्रैक्टिस. Before moving ahead, I want to share a study resource that has been helping me. If you're a class 10 student and looking for extra practice, you can check out this question bank. This is the PW Class 10th Maths Question Bank authored by Ritik sir. It comes with the latest CBSE solved papers including detailed handwritten solutions for recent board exams. It also includes chapter-wise and topic-wise questions with 50% competency-based questions to match the latest exam pattern. It has concept maps for quick revision, handpick high yields questions from the past 10 years PYQs, a revision blueprint, and competency focused solved questions. Also, this question bank is available for all 4 major subjects: maths, science, SST, and English. If you are interested, you can check it out. It's available on Amazon, and I have added all the links in the description box below. Now let's get back to the video. So after taking a short break, I got back to studying और यहाँ पर मैं ह्यूमन आई वाले चैप्टर का लेक्चर 2 देख रही थी. एंड बाय द वे, दिस वाज द लास्ट लेक्चर ऑफ द चैप्टर. पढ़ाई करने के बाद आई वेंट टू माई कजन्स हाउस इन द आफ्टरनून और वहाँ पर हम लोग ऊनो खेल रहे थे. बजे आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग अगेन और घर आने के बाद आई वॉज नॉट रियली फीलिंग प्रोडक्टिव, बट आई डिसाइडेड टू लॉक इन एंड गेट बैक टू स्टडिंग. यहाँ पर मैं मैथ्स का चैप्टर 3 कर रही थी, विच इज़ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन 2 वेरिएबल्स. मुझे इस दिन मैथ्स में 2 लेक्चर देखने थे, बट आई एंडेड अप वॉचिंग ओनली 1. And just a small reality check. If this vlog makes it look like I've been studying non-stop, that's far from the truth. By the time you're watching this video, I have actually been very inconsistent with my studies over the past few days. In fact, there have been days when I barely studied at all. It's not something I'm proud of, but it's the reality of where I am right now. Lately, I've been spending a lot of my time watching movies, cartoons, and simply enjoying my break. But now that June has started, I feel like it's time to get things back on track. I want to make the most of this summer vacation, not just by enjoying it, but also by completing all of my holiday homework before July begins and working towards the goals I have set for myself. So let's see how this month goes. Hopefully by the end of June, I'll be able to look back and say that I made the most of my holidays while still having fun along the way. And if you're watching this during your summer vacation, don't forget to make the most of yours hours as well. Enjoy your holidays, but also make time for your studies and complete your holiday homework on time. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.